Dyddiadau Cymreag, Welsh dates. Y cyntaf, the first. Yr ail, the second. Y trydydd, the third. Y pedwerydd, the fourth. Y pumed, the fifth. Y chweched, the sixth. Y seithfed, the seventh. Yr wythfed, the eighth. Y nawfed, the ninth. Y degfed, the tenth. Yr unfed ar ddeg, the 11th. Y deuddegfed, the 12th. Y trydydd ar ddeg, the 13th. Y pedwerydd ar ddeg, the 14th. Y pymthegfed, the 15th. Yr unfed ar bymtheg, the 16th. Yr ail ar bymtheg, the 17th. Y deunawfed, the 18th. Y pedwerydd ar bymtheg, the 19th. Yr ugeinfed, the 20th. Yr unfed ar hugain, the 21st. Yr ail ar hugain, the 22nd. Y trydydd ar hugain, the 23rd. Y pedwerydd ar hugain, the 24th. Y pumed ar hugain, the 25th. Y chweched ar hugain, the 26th. Y seithfed ar hugain, the 27th. Yr wythfed ar hugain, the 28th. Y nawfed ar hugain, the 29th. Y degfed ar hugain, the 30th. Yr unfed ar ddeg ar hugain, the 31st.